In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ghost effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to use for the ghost effect and add it to the timeline. Preview the video. To create the ghost effect, we need to duplicate the video clip. Right-click on the video layer in the timeline and select copy. Then right-click again and select paste. This will create a duplicate layer above the original video. With the duplicate layer selected, go to speed, change the time slider to 0.8, and decrease the duration by 1. Ensure your slow motion is smooth, enable the smooth slow-mo option and click on optical flow. This feature helps to reduce any choppiness in the slow motion effect by blending frames together. Go back to video and click blend. Lower the opacity around 50% to make the duplicate layer semi-transparent, giving it a ghostly appearance. Now, let's add some effects. Go to the Effects tab and choose from a variety of effects available in CapCut. Add the one that best fits your video. Drag its layer to match the video's duration. Now, cut the excess duration of the duplicate video layer by using the split tool. Play back your video to see the ghost effect in action. Once you're satisfied with the ghost effect, click Export. And that's it! You've successfully created a ghost effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing!
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!